HVAC people!
All right, about loaded up this morning, got a system change out. I think this is a 4, maybe a 5 ton. I think it's a 5 ton, I can't remember. But it's an air handling unit with a coil, electric heat. So as you can see, it looks like it's about to rain. But they say we're not gonna get no rain at noon, so try to get an early start. Today is Saturday, and see if we can get this one swapped out. All right, like I say, I'm trying to get an early start. Got another contractor that helps me out a lot. He's gonna come meet me over here so I can get that air handler in the attic. You see it's a Goodman, right? So I'm not brand specific. I install just about anything as far as name brand. Like I said, the reason I usually go with Goodman though, because Goodman, I mean, I can buy everything. It is like a known brand. As far as like Carrier and Train, they always want you, you know, I'm a small little one-man show, but they want you to, you got to sell so many pieces of equipment on an annual basis just to sell their unit. I think, I don't know if it's like 100,000 or 1 million, whatever, but so Carrier, they want to sell you like pane. I think they got a new brand called Steel, which is a pane. And when you buy that, you get a Carrier furnace though, so I don't really understand that. The Train, like I said, I think they do like American Standard, but you can't even go in there and buy a Train condenser unit without having some type of contractor agreement with them. But if it is a Carrier dealer rep out there, they give me the ins and outs. But I can sell like Ream and Rudd. Century sell those. I forgot Johnson. Cause I've been working on my credit too, so I got a credit account with all these people, except Train. I got I think like a 10,000 limit with Carrier, 10,000 with Goodman. John Supply got like a 5,000 credit with them. Century, I got like a 5,000 credit with them. So not on the brand, like I said, I can sell all their pieces of equipment, but like I said, I like to deal with Goodman because I mean I can go right to them and order anything on their shelf or anything that I need as far as their equipment go. So that's why, I mean, I don't really advertise Goodman, and I do have Goodman on mine, just coincident. When I first started my business, I didn't know really what I was gonna sell, but on my door hangers, I don't know, this camera probably going all kind of places, I don't got it mounted. See on my door hangers, I got Goodman. So, and like I say, to me, it's all about the install. You do a good job on the install. The equipment, they'll last long, and if the homeowner keep it maintained, they'll last quite a while, I think. Sometimes certain brands be more flimsy, like the condenser coil, and sometimes it's hard to clean certain type of units out. But other than that, I mean, all of them pretty much got the same compressors, and the Train got different compressors, but a lot of them got the Copeland compressors, you know. But I mean, yeah, that's it. Like I said, I'll talk about credit. Like I say, slowly but surely, been doing it about 2 years. At first, I had on the cash accounts. Been working on my credit slowly but surely. Personal credit, always been pretty good. Not always, but I worked on that, got that good, and kind of like moved that over with personal guarantees on some of the my credits. And once I started, once I get like a personal guarantee on one creditor, let's just say for example like a John Supply, so now I can use them as a reference. If John Supply gave me an opportunity and gave me a credit account, I can put that as a reference if I'm filling out a credit application for, say, like a carrier. So they kind of look at it like, okay, I don't know if they contact John Supply or what, but they're like, okay, you got a credit account with them. And then once you get carrier, once they accept you, then you got two. So you can put carrier and John Supply down on your application as a reference, or and then once you fill out an application for, let's say, a Goodman, you can use carrier and Johnson. Kind of goes like that. But I'm straight. So if I am like ever like strapped for cash for any reason, and a customer needed the unit or something, it's good to have credit card. I can just go, you know, put it on credit, and soon the customer payment, just go pay for the unit and put the profit in my pocket, you know. So that's why I like that credit, because first I was just paying cash for everything, but like I said, I'm still trying to build a business credit. So I don't when I do utilize it, I got a business credit card too with like I think like 12,000 on a business credit card. So usually what I do is I can purchase it. Let's say if I want a Goodman unit and I want to get it on credit, I go to Goodman, purchase a unit, and let's say that all together is like 2,500. I put that on the credit account. I think Goodman get like, it's a net 30, net 20 or net 30, which they give you like 20 days or 30 days to pay it off. So I'll wait about 10 days. Then I'll call and make a payment with my credit card. So, and then once I pay with the credit card, I'm good with that Goodman account. And then I would wait like 5 days and just pay cash on my debit card and pay the credit card off. And it's like building my credit, so it's kind of like two birds with one stone on one purchase. So that's a tip. Hope I explained it well, but it is a tip how you can build your credit, business credit, you know. But I'm out though. I'm trying to get to this appointment on time. Look like I'm gonna be probably about 15 minutes early, hopefully. See if I can get started early. Like I said, about the rain, so at least I can get that condenser up, and then once my help come, I can hope I ain't show my pin number on this thing. We out though. All right, so this is the RUD that they're gonna upgrade. RUD Achiever. The unit still works. It's like kind of heavy. I was thinking about keeping it in like I say, using it for a loaner. I ran it out, but that sucker that kind of heavy. Like I said, with this truck here, it's just hard to haul around old stuff. But like I said, I'm gonna have help today. I can throw it on there. But I have my other truck with me. I can easy maneuver it, but that's what we got. See the homeowner car not here, so I hope it's sun on the inside. I'm gonna go knock on the door. All right, so this the old unit we snatched out of here. Old rod, air handler, electric. That bad boy heavy too. Got JMV solution, air solution. We're gonna go in here and see what he got going on. What you looking like, Roman Rome? All right, so this is the Goodman air handler that we got set. Got brother Jerome right here helping me out.
What's going on with it?
How you doing? Hey, Ron. See, we two brothers helping each other out. Putting in this air handler unit. So JMB Solutions, subcontractor. Hey, Jerome.
Sir.
Give a shout out. Just tell them your name and your company name, where they can find you.
Jerome, JMV Air Solutions. Find me at www.jmvair-solution.com. Residential, commercial, industrial, whatever it takes. We there for your needs. Just give us a shout, give us a call. Washington AC, we work hand in hand. Brothers helping brothers from the same state of the silk. Showing love out here in Texas.
Gotta get it.
Gotta get it.
Gotta get it. All right, people, we're trying to beat some rain, and we got a couple more calls that we're gonna try to knock out today. So we're gonna try to utilize this weekend as much as possible. So, like I say, if anybody need help, y'all in the Houston area, JMV Solution, he do all over Houston. Good. Want to hit it with the bubble? Give me the okay. I'm gonna put a vacuum on. You can throw it back. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it back. Look at my electrical up. I'm gonna take this top off, show you. This thing had an office and a TXV in here. See it? Office and a TXV. All right, so we still got 104. I am going to pull it back. I want to try to put the split on the bottom so I can't see it. And place my line so it looks clean. All right. Alright, sounds like she's running good to me. For a 10A. I'm gonna do a little housekeeping, let it run for a while, then I hook up my temperature probe, check the superheat subcooling. But look like a winner to me. Alright, so this is one of them things you do run into on the field. Like I say, once we got this unit out, you can see the TXV installed in this unit. But you see it has the fixed orifice still attached to it too. So when I was even troubleshooting this unit, I stuck the metering device just in the attic and took it off the line. And you can see where the refrigerant started flowing like it, well, it just really bypassed the TXV and just opened the TXV 100%. And because this thing, well, the old unit was going off on high head pressure. So I think somebody overcharged the unit thinking that it was low, because they never could get the low pressure up. So they just kept feeding it with refrigerant, and the thing kept on going off on high pressure. But anyway, the homeowner said he was tired of dealing with it, so we got him a new unit. We out. All right, that's it. Just received payment. Homeowner's happy. The unit cycled on and off several times, so they cooling good. So he's very happy. So we get this one loaded up. I'm gonna go rest. We're gonna go rest for a while. We'll get back out a little later on. Run some more calls. We out.